Good morning all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll teach you when and how to use rather and rather than. In fact, we use rather and rather than in three situations. Situation number 1, that means usage number 1. We use rather than to give more importance to one thing when you have two alternatives or preferences being compared. When you have two preferences, you have comparison between these two and you are giving importance to one. In that case, we have to use rather than. Example, here is the example. See, someone wanted to be an actor and he wanted to be a comedian also. So, how should we say the sentence? He wanted to be an actor rather than a comedian. So, we have two options here. One is an actor and another one is a comedian. So out of these two choices, what is his importance? His importance goes to becoming an actor. The next example, can we come over on Saturday rather than, means you have two preferences. One is to come on Saturday, another thing is on Friday. And what is your preference? So your preference is on Saturday rather than on Friday. Likewise, this is usage number 1. Next usage is when we want to correct what we have just said or make it more precise. Precise means clear. We often use the expression or rather. Or rather is used. For example, all of a sudden we make sudden changes in our decisions, in our choice. In that situation, we use or rather. Or rather. How? See this example. You went to a restaurant and you asked for an ice cream, and then you realized ice cream will expose you to cold and cough. So you decided to order a pizza that satisfies your hunger. All of a sudden, when you make the changes in your choice, how do you say the sentence? Give me an ice cream or rather a pizza. So first you ordered ice cream and then later on all of a sudden you made a correction. You went to a shop and you wanted to buy a pen. Okay, you asked the vendor, shopkeeper, give me a pen or rather two, because when you asked for one, you realized after going home you have a sister and she will definitely grab it from you. That is why you bought two. All of a sudden you made a change. You went to a cool drink shop and asked for, give me a Pepsi or rather a thumbs up. So all of a sudden you made a sudden change in your choices. That is usage number 2. And when it comes to usage number 3, here we have to say that one person would prefer another person to do something. That means you want the other person to do what you wanted to do, what you want him or her to do. Say it again, you want other person to do what you wanted him or her to do. But here the sentence may sound little incorrect in terms of grammar. That means grammatically it may sound incorrect, but this is the real structure. For example, your friend said that he will come on Monday, but you want him to come on Tuesday. How to frame the sentence? The sentence goes like this. Don't come on Monday. I would rather you came on Tuesday. The meaning is, I want you to come on Tuesday, not on Monday. Sir, Tuesday falls in future. How come you use past tense of the verb? That is the structure. I would rather you came on Tuesday. The meaning itself tells you that I want you to come on Monday. How to frame the sentence? First, write I would. After that, add rather. After that, to whom you are saying that, write that pronoun. I want I would rather you. Now the verb should be in its past form. I would rather you came on Tuesday. That means I want you to come on Tuesday. The meaning is, and the last usage, that means usage number 4, mostly in a daily routine we use I would like to I would like to drink tea, I would like to play cricket, I would like to watch movies. Likewise, when you want to emphasize that action, when you want to emphasize more on that action, you can use I would rather play cricket. That means I would like to play cricket. That is your interest to some extent. But when you wanted to emphasize on that action, you can simply replace rather in the place of like, and you can simply say I would rather drink tea. That means I prefer more on this. Likewise, so always remember, when you are using a sentence I would like to, if you want to emphasize more on that action, simply remove like and replace like with rather. For example, I would rather play cricket. Likewise. Thank you. That's all for today. Tomorrow I will come up with another interesting and important topic. Thank you for today. Bye.